Hello, Ming Ming. Are you ready to listen our bedtime story? What about you? Bedtime story. But you're always sleeping, already sleeping. What about you? Huh? Are you ready to listen? Okay, let's start. Oh, Ming Ming only is attentive. Once upon a time, I have a little cat. Last 3 years. Oh, I think 4 years. But do you know that 1 year in a human age is 7 years in the animal's age, like cat and dogs? Oh, you're listening now. So the first one that I have is Ming Ming. Ming Ming. Ming Ming is so cute that time. She's small, she's a little kitten. And she play with me, but still the same as usual, she doesn't like that I hug her. So until now, she don't like that. And the next one, when we move from where on the time we're in Shuswin O, when I got this Ming Ming. And then when we move here in Wukaisha, I got Chocolate. Chocolate has a sister. He has a sister. And then her sister is like the owner of them both. They asked us to bring back the sister and leave Chocolate here with us. So Chocolate is with us. And then we have a little kitten. And she's so cute and small. It seems like she's just a week old. But sadly, something happened to the small kitten. So, to make the girl here not to ask anything, her mother said that the little kitten, the owner asked her to return. But the real the the reality is like something happened on that to that little kitten. So we buy a new one. Buy a new one. And that is this boy, Milky Boy. Milky Boy is very weak. Milky Boy is very small. And she is the youngest among the three. Among Ming Ming, among Chocolate, and really, this is the youngest one. But suddenly, he is the biggest one now. Okay? And he is the naughtiest one now. This boy, Milky. So that's the story that we need to tell you about our three cats. So this is the boy, really a boy, a cute boy, Chocolate. And now he's looking for a girlfriend. So this boy cannot bear a baby because he already circumcised. And Ming Ming also circumcised. So she can't be pregnant because she is already circumcised. That's why she cannot be a girlfriend of Chocolate. So Chocolate now is sad because he don't have girlfriend. So this boy always bully Ming Ming. is a bully boy. He always bully Ming Ming. Oh, see, Ming Ming run because scared to this boy. So now, they are our happiness. Oh, Chocolate want to go to Ming Ming because Ming Ming, I love you. Ming Ming, I love you. Ming Ming said, no, I don't love you. I can't bear your kids. I can't bear your kittens. So this is the story of our three cats. Okay, thank you for listening, and please do subscribe and likes and comments. Bye. Say bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Bye, 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 bye. Oh, the bully boy. Bye-bye. That's yours. Okay, our story is finished, and good night, everybody. Bye.